What's up everybody, welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. The other day you saw us unveil our brand new TORQ 15DA polisher, so I thought this would be a good time to show you guys what you're getting in the kit and how to use your brand new machine. So right off the bat you see you have this awesome new graphic. This box is very eye-catching, very sleek, but we'll get to that in a minute. We're going to go over the chemicals as well as the pads that are included in your kit so you know how to use them and when to use them. Let's start over here with our chemicals with V32. Now this is a very abrasive compound that removes deep scratches and swirls, oxidation, heavy blemishes, and anything else that's really aggressive. And this is going to be the best way to restore shine because you need something really heavy to cut through all that. But once you cut really deep, you need something to refine that. Which brings us to V34, which is a minor abrasive hybrid compound, which is going to help you to refine the finish, and it's going to carry out your whole high shine, removing any kind of blemishes and any kind of imperfections. But again, if you're doing a multi-step polish, you're going to need to refine it even further. Or if you want to start off with the least aggressive approach, we always recommend starting with V36. This is one of the great ways to test and give yourself a test spot on your vehicle. Also, it cleans up any kind of imperfections left behind by V34. And then lastly, with V38, this is just a very fine jeweling polish to help you remove any kind of holograms, tiger striping, or anything else that's left behind. This way, again, you're getting the best finish, that factory shine, and the best look overall. Now over here, we have our pads. This is the 3 included pads in the kit, starting with your orange hex-logic orange pad, which is going to be your cutting and compounding pad. You can use your V32, 34, and 36 with this pad. This is going to give you a test and a range of seeing what your car needs because just like everyone else is different, all of your cars are different. So the needs of the polishing are obviously going to be different from car to car. So you have to test it with different kinds of chemicals and different kinds of pads, but finding the right combination is different for everybody's car. In the middle, you have a white hex-logic pad. This is what you move on to after you're doing your multi-step correction. Using it with V38, this is going to remove any kind of holograms, any kind of hazing, and again, it's going to give you that really jeweled high shine. And lastly, you have a black hex-logic pad, which you can use to apply your glazes, sealants, or waxes using your TORQ 15DA. It applies a very fine coat, so one, you're using less product, you're covering more surface area, but again, it's going to save you time and effort with a very fine buff off and give you, again, the best shine and also using the least amount of product. So now without further ado, we're going to open up the box and show you guys what we have going on inside of this brand new TORQ 15DA. Pull back on the flaps here. On top here you have your instruction, your owner's manual, as well as a couple extra brushes for your machine. This is a handle which helps you get more control, which is also going to help you put down more pressure so you can work on flat panels or more of an angular panel on the side of the vehicle. And then you also have the Allen key here, which helps you to remove the backing plate because this machine is capable of using a 5 or a 6-inch backing plate, but it comes standard with the 5-inch, which is easier to control, but it's the best balance between coverage as well as cutting power. Now we'll take out the machine. Now we'll begin by removing this protective dust shield. Keeps any kind of dirt or any kind of cardboard fragments from getting inside of the machine. And now right off the bat, you can see that this machine looks comparably different from all the other TORQs, and that's because of this 15mm bell housing. This is standard with the machine, but again, you can change it over to a 6-inch. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering if it can actually use a 3-inch, but actually no, it's only designed for a 5 and a 6-inch backing plate. But as you see, it's got the hook and loop design. This is perfect for your hex-logic or any other kind of pad, but you can also use this with a carpet brush attachment. This way, if you want to scrub really deep set-in stains, you can do it with your TORQ machine. Now moving down, you see here we have the standard TORQ design, ergonomic, nice and easy to use, rubberized grip up here which reduces fatigue, and also it's triggerless so you're not constantly straining your hand trying to keep up a certain speed. But again, all you have to do is simply turn the machine on and set the speed, and then watch the analog screen to keep a precise and precision accurate reading of what you're actually using it for. So this machine is perfect for using any kind of compound or polish, or even applying a fine coat of glaze, sealant, or wax. This is going to reduce any kind of user fatigue. It's going to do it very quickly and very efficiently. It's got a 900-watt motor, so it's going to be very powerful, which is going to help you from bogging or stalling the pads on curves or hard to reach areas. I showed you guys recently on a Porsche, which has a lot of bubbles and a lot of curves, and this machine simply powers right over it without being too aggressive or can actually harm the paint. So if you guys want to learn more about this product, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.